on today's episode of How Effed Up Is This. Ta-da. So today's project, pretty much what we're going to do is we're going to take all this out, clear it down all the way to the studs. We got all new vanity, toilet, tub surround, so everything's going to be brand new in here. Fresh drywall, no more outdated tile. We're going to get her up, get her going, hopefully just a couple days.
I just hit the cock of the vanity. Vanity is about to come out. Easy peasy.
Easy peasy.
Shower doors out. You wanna get the door for me?